Mineral buildup can affect your machine's performance. If you notice any of these signs: espresso brewing takes longer than usual, excessive steam during operation, white mineral buildup on the brewing head, it's time to descale your machine. Fill both tanks to 300 milliliters in the milk tank, 1.2 liters in the water tank. Add the descaling tablets to the water tank. Place large cups under the brewing head and steam wand. Connect the plug to the power socket. Press the power button to on position. Turn the frothing knob clockwise to clean position. Then press the espresso and latte buttons at the same time. The unit will enter descaling mode automatically. The 6 indicators blink by turning a circle clockwise. After 10 minutes, the unit will enter standby mode, 6 indicators illuminated. Discard the residual descaling solution and clean the tanks. Fill appropriate amount of pure water in 2 tanks. Brew 1 cup of latte without coffee powder. When the hot water stops, the cleaning process is gonna end.